news coming in. Rahul Gandhi has left for Hathras. He will be meeting families of victims who have been killed in the stampede. He has already left. It's almost 200 kilometers from the national capital where this incident happened. Now he will be going and meeting the victims and the families of the victims. The political parties are accusing the centre that they are actually not doing enough after this horrific incident happened. And now Rahul Gandhi has left for Hathras. He will be meeting the victims, the families. As we can see, different teams have been formed. The police teams have been formed to look out for the absconding self-proclaimed God man who's out of reach till now.
It was quietly an unfortunate incident. He will go to the Hathras and he will interact with the people, those who are affected. Then official response will be there.
So Rahul Gandhi has left for Hathras. He will be meeting the victims. The self-proclaimed God man remains at large. The police team are literally struggling to find him. The police team reached at some of the ashrams where this Baba was doing his satsang for a very, very long time. Our colleague Tejshri is joining us on the broadcast. Tejshri, Rahul Gandhi has already left for Hathras. The self-proclaimed God man remains at large. The police teams are struggling to find him. How is the investigation going till now?
Well, see, it is really a very sad morning for the people of Pilakna because, yes, they are mourning, and in fact, the family to whom Rahul Gandhi is going to meet has lost the family is going to meet, Rahul Gandhi is going to meet his Chote Lal. Chote Lal has lost his wife and a 6-year-old son as well. And in fact, now these are the visuals which we are giving you just outside the residence of, inside the residence of Chote Lal. And in fact, Chote Lal is the same person to whom Rahul Gandhi is going to meet, and in fact Rahul Gandhi will be reaching Hathras reaching this particular location in a short while from now. However, these visuals and these moments are really very heartbreaking because now also what we are being told is that Chote Lal, apart from a son who he has lost, also has 4 daughters as well. Now these daughters won't be having their mother because the mother has also lost they have lost their mother also. But in fact, we'll try and go to speak to the victims of. In fact, we'll try to speak to the family members of Chote Lal so as to what they had to face. And in fact, not only the elders, but you can see that there are very young children also, small toddlers, in fact, who are here to whom Rahul Gandhi will be meeting. छोटे लाल जी की जो पत्नी गुजरी है वो आपकी क्या लगती थी?
छोटी वाली बहू थी मेरे भाई की, बेटा बेटी दोनों, बहू भी चली गई, बेटा भी चला गया, 4 बेटियां बची, घर उजड़ गया, कुछ नहीं बचा।
आप भी गए थे वहाँ पर कार्यक्रम में?
गया था, मैंने घर से फोन आगे मिट कर आया, मुझे नहीं पता, मेरी बहू भी लापरवाही में पता लाश मिली उसी हो गया।
छोटे लाल जी के अभी कितने बच्चे हैं?
4 बेटियां, ये बेटा खत्म हो गया, बीवी खत्म हो उसकी।
अब बच्चे की उम्र क्या थी?
6 साल वर्ष का था।
6 बरस का था। तो अकेले गए थे, उनके साथ कौन कौन गया?
नहीं, दोनों माँ बेटे थे, ये भी भाई भी गया था मेरा, भाई भी साथ था, भाई अलग था, बहन अलग थी।
बच्चियाँ कौन कौन है उनकी?
बेटियाँ, ये बेटी बैठी है पास में, ये बैठी है मेरे पास में, 2 बेटी, 4 बेटियाँ, बहन है 5 शादी के लिए, सब कुछ खत्म हो गया, कुछ नहीं।
अस्पताल ले गए थे उनको, आपको कैसे पता चला?
वहाँ गए थे तो वहाँ देखा मिलने रही, अस्पताल मिली, परी हुई, कुछ भी नहीं मिला, कुछ नहीं मिला।
सारे परिवार के लोग हैं?
परिवार के बहनें, माँ बेटी।
कितनी बजे लगभग आपको पता चला कि ये हुआ?
हमें 2:30 बजे करीब पता लगा था, 2:30 बजे आकर भाई का फोन आ गया, भैया मेरा बेटा चला गया। मैंने कहा उसे बहू ही नहीं।
So you see, it is really a very difficult morning for Chote Lal and his family because you see these are very young children, very young girls in fact, and he was the only brother, a 6-year-old
Tejasvi, this
We
is
have actually
really
no words right now because
yeah.
this family is in a very difficult situation as of now. And in a short while from now, what we are being told is that Rahul Gandhi is going to reach and meet all these families. But important is, this is not just one family, you know. There are a number of families who are
Exactly.
going
That's the
through
thing.
this
There are a number of families who are in agony right now. Rahul Gandhi is reaching to meet the victims and their families. But this agony intensifies when this self-proclaimed God man says that this entire incident was disheartening, but he doesn't take responsibility of that.
Certainly, it is very shocking that the self-styled God-man did not take the responsibility and in fact has put the onus on anti-social elements. That is very devastating and surprising. And in fact, let me tell you that when we went to the mortuary, the people over there who were waiting for their family members post-mortem, they were very angry by the fact that why the self-styled God-man is not coming out and taking the responsibility. Why is he not apologizing? And in fact, why he left from the spot. Also, let me tell you here, let me show you the visuals just outside the location from where we are reporting. So this is not just the one family whom Rahul Gandhi is going to meet. There's one more family whom Rahul Gandhi is going to meet. But you see, apart from the Congress workers, the Samajwadi Party Karyakartas have also gathered over here. And in a short while from now, we can anytime expect Rahul Gandhi to come. But big question over here also remains that, as you rightly mentioned, that self-styled God man did not take any onus of this entire tragedy that took place, that in fact killed 121 people. But important over here is that why his name was not there in the FIR. The name of Chief Sevadar Dev Prasad Madhukar, his name was there, other Sevadar's name was there, but this main accused, the self-styled God-man, his name was missing from the FIR. So people are holding him accountable so as to where is he as of now. And in fact, it is very surprising that after 24
The Mukhya
hours
Sevadar is missing. The self-proclaimed God-man is missing. The police is saying that the entire event was not registered under this Baba. So what is going to happen now? Tejasvi, you just stay with us. The Uttar Pradesh government